Hi, this is Blake Aldridge at Ziegler Cat, product paving specialist. Today we're talking about the Weiler P65 asphalt commercial paver. We're just going to do a general walk around and just point out some parts to give you a little familiarity. So overall we got a 12,600 pound asphalt paver. As we move around here, we're looking at the front. You've got your push rollers here. We've got a tie down. Looking inside the hopper, you've got a little door here. That door is going to allow you to get down to the diesel tank so you can quick fill it when you don't have asphalt in it. As we're looking at the hopper, you see one door partially open or closed and one all the way open. So those are your cutoff doors. Those help meter the material back to the screed. This particular model, you got two functions as far as the hopper folding. You'll have it fold down and out. Then as a whole, you can bring the whole thing up. That allows you to get underneath to the tanks and top of the tracks and stuff of that nature. So as we move to the left side of the machine here, after we just spoke about the front of the machine and hopper, you come over to the side. You're going to have spray down hoses here on each side. They're going to be activated by a switch in the center. As we come to the top of the paver itself with levers and buttons, one thing to keep in mind is we got a 12K hydraulic driven generator underneath the deck here. That's going to supply power down to the elements for the screed heat and the end gate heaters that you would have on your paver. As we talk about the console up here, propel levers, these smaller levers are going to be various functions from hopper up and down, screed extenders in and out. Your cutoff doors down below here that help meter the material back. You got a horn button. These couple buttons here are going to be for the feed system that are relative to your sonic sensor out there on your end gate. That's going to allow you to help meter the material better back to the screed. Coming to the center here, you've got a couple of buttons here, parking brake. You can change your gear speed, stuff of that nature. Turn on your generator here. Turn the key on, you're going to have a display. Display is going to cycle through, ultimately give you stuff like your diesel field level, hours, temperature of coolant, stuff of that nature. This also allows you to get in and do some minor diagnostic stuff if you need to. If we move further right, you're going to have the same levers on the right side for the functions. You're going to have two more propel levers that allow you to propel forward, reverse. Then once again, you're going to have features here for feed system. If we come down to the screed, we've got extensions on each side. I briefly spoke about a generator. So on the end gate here, you got a harness down here. That's going to go to an element that's going to heat your end gate, the bottom of your end gate there. So your joints are going to be heated joints when you come to match them and be a lot cleaner. Along with that heat, if we were to pull the screed plate off, you're going to have heating elements just like that one on the end. So as the hydraulic generator is running, it's heating your screed to whatever temp it's going to. With the screed on each extender, you have these levers here that allows you to move attack angle on your extensions. Attack angle helps you create lift. So think of it as if I need to go get the screed up to make it plane better, that's an option you have there on both sides. Now that works in correlation with you running your thickness. So the basics of paving, we need to have our thickness set up right before we start messing with those, but option available. As we come across the screed in the back, this one has crown. It's a matter of running this lever up or down. That allows us to crown the plate, the main plate, convex, or the opposite. Let's say you got a alley that's dipped like this and you want to follow that contour, you could certainly bend the screed plate to that degree. As we talked about the front of machine cutoff doors, your cutoff doors are these doors that go up and down. As you're metering with the feed system here off of these, that's helping you cut that material off to keep that consistent. Overall, the screed allows you to go from 7/8 to 13 feet wide. And as I said earlier, total weight is 12,600 pounds. Thanks for spending time on the P65 with me. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to any Ziegler branch.